Ladies and gentlemen, hello, all of you are welcome. In this video, you will see the recipes in the Barada hotel restaurant dishes meat and fish combination. I have just started a new job. Cheddar stuffed potato, tenderloin barbecue, recipe accompanied by Café de Paris sauce. Salmon barbecue with pesto sauce. Then you can watch the recipe for vegetable steaks filled with vegetables. Tenderloin Café de Paris recipe. Marinated with rosemary and olive oil, 2 thick slices of tenderloin, baked spicy potato, salt, pepper and thyme, cherry tomato, cheddar cheese, Café de Paris sauce, prepared with butter, onion, garlic, mustard, thyme and turmeric. Add cheddar cheese to the thick baked potatoes. Bake 2 pieces of thick tenderloin and add the tomatoes. Create stretches by cutting the surface of the meat with a knife. Add cheddar-filled potato on top of bamboo plate. Add 2 sticks and add cherry tomatoes. Add fresh thyme. Add dry thyme. Add salt and black pepper. Add and serve hot Café de Paris sauce. Our next recipe is the salmon barbecue with pesto sauce. Fresh slice of salmon, pasta sauce ingredients, basil, parmesan cheese, pine nuts, olive oil, salt, black pepper, thyme, parmesan cheese, lemon and cherry tomatoes, roasted eggplant. Add salmon and other ingredients to the barbecue. Add eggplant to the bottom of the fish dish. Add baked cherry tomatoes. Add thin lemon slices. Add fresh thyme. Add parmesan cheese. Serve pesto sauce. Vegetable filled buttered steak recipe. Finally, a pizza will be prepared. Yes, now watch and see the details. Cook thin slice of sticks on the grill to make a vegetable stuffed stew. Brush butter on the surface of cooked meat. Slice mushrooms with green pepper and red pepper. Add sugar-free cream. Add salt and pepper. Prepare 4 slices of triangular bread and warm on the grill. Prepare fried apple sliced potatoes. Add 2 bread slices into a white plate. Prepare tomato sauce or tomato paste sauce. Add 2 salted cooked vegetables into the cooked beef. Double fold and close with toothpick. Sliced fried potatoes.
Küçük kaşık verin bir tane.
Add hot tomato sauce.
Yemek kaşığı.
Add rosemary and serve. We will prepare a crispy pizza with Italy style. Mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, corn, sliced black olives, paprika, green pepper and mushrooms. Beef sausage, salami. Flour, salt, sugar, yeast and water to prepare pizza dough with Italian pizza sauce. Add mozzarella cheese, sliced salami, sausage and beef sausage. Add sliced mushrooms. Add green pepper, paprika and sliced black olives. Add boiled corn. Add the grated cheddar cheese and bake for 5 minutes at 300 degrees. You can serve the pizza by dividing it into 4 equal parts. Thanks to everyone who watched this video and supported me. Goodbye again for a new recipe video.